Well, today a long-awaited trial gets underway as jury selection begins in the trial of Lori Vallow Daybell. The Eastern Idaho mom is accused in the murders of her two children, 17-year-old Tylee Ryan and 7-year-old JJ Vallow, and her husband Chad's previous wife, Tammy Daybell. Our reporter Christinna Bautista is live at the Ada County Courthouse right now, where jury selection will get underway later this morning. Let's go to her live now. Christinna, good morning.
Good morning, Matt. Yes, I'm here at the Ada County Courthouse, where we are just a few hours away from the first day of trial for the Lori Vallow Daybell case. Like you mentioned, she is facing multiple murder charges dating back from 2019. This case has captivated the nation, and today they're going to be getting started with jury selection. The Idaho News 6 team spoke to attorney David Leroy, who was the previous Idaho Attorney General. He spoke about jury selection and how he believes it will play out.
Never been done in the history of Idaho jurisprudence previously.
An unprecedented case in Ada County. The highly anticipated murder trial for Lori Vallow Daybell is finally getting started, more than 3 years after her initial arrest. The defendant is accused of murdering her two children, Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow, as well as taking part in the murder of her husband, Chad's ex-wife, Tammy Daybell. The first step of the trial is jury selection. And for a case of this magnitude, an unorthodox process pulling a massive number of potential jurors ahead of formal questioning.
Written questionnaires are a bit unusual, and certainly 1,800 prospective jurors is outrageously unusual.
Former Attorney General David Leroy predicts, due to the amount of public knowledge of the case, it's likely to take the majority of the first week to finalize the 12 jurors and 6 alternates. During the trial, no cameras will be allowed. For the public that does want to come and watch the trial, you can come here to the Ada County Courthouse. We'll have additional seats in an overflow room. For those that do want to come, you do have to send in a request a day prior. We will continue to cover the trial. Christinna Bautista, Idaho News 6.
All right, Christinna, thanks very much. And this case has been top of mind for so many for so long, but there's a lot now that we are not expecting to see this week at the courthouse. For starters, Lori's husband and co-defendant Chad Daybell will not be present. Judge Stephen Boyce ruling just last month to separate the two cases. He remains in custody in Fremont County with no new trial date set. His attorney, however, will be allowed in the Boise courtroom to observe Lori's trial. Also, just last month, the judge taking the death penalty off the table, which experts say could speed up the jury selection process and the duration of the trial.
Removing the death penalty will speed up this trial immeasurably. Not having to ask about death penalty type opinions, moral scruples, whether you could ever sit in judgment in such a serious matter on another human being, will allow the lawyers to concentrate more directly on evidentiary type issues.
And with no cameras allowed in the courtroom and no way for the public to watch witnesses take the stand from home, it'll be interesting to see what kind of crowds show up at the courthouse each day. Seating will only be granted through a reservation system starting today.